Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I have an order here from one of my favorite places, Espace Tricot. So this is my third order from them, and my second order, I was hoping to include this kit. They came out with some new kits with color work, and they are actually doing a knit along. And I think it goes to the end of February, which I'm hoping. I know it's at least till the end of January, but they were out of this particular kit when I ordered my last order. So I had to do another order as soon as they got the kits in, and I got it early January. So I'm excited to start it, and I'm hoping that I can make it for the knit along because I know that their prizes have to be fabulous. And this is going to make the Stoneham poncho. Isn't that awesome? Oh my goodness. So here is the yarn. I got 3 of the blacks, it looks like, 1 of the coral and 1 gray. And they're all the same brand of yarn, so let me just take out. Ooh, it's super soft. This is called Scout. 100% wool. I don't know why that's washing out so much, and then now it's blurry, but it is 275 yards, 100 grams. It's made by Kelborn Woolens, and if you go to their site on Ravelry, their group, or if you go to this pattern on Ravelry, it will tell you what yarn they used, and it is fabulous. This is a 3. It says to use a size 5 to 7 in US sizes, and it is just beautiful yarn, and I am so excited to have this kit. So the kit comes with the pattern because this is their pattern, so there's no need to purchase the pattern, but if you wanted to purchase the pattern on its own and use your own wool, you could certainly, but this is so pretty. And I am so excited to use it, or to make it. Oh my gosh. So it's one of those, they call it a poncho. It kind of goes to just above your elbows if you're sitting, if you are up. So I don't know, or maybe just below your elbows. I don't know. I might end up buying more yarn. I was even thinking of buying 2 kits, but I thought, let's see how it works out, and making one and then like adding to the bottom, and maybe I could do the same kind of color work, follow the same pattern on the bottom, and go from there. So I don't know. I may end up doing that. It depends on how I like that poncho, and if it's, I don't know if it fits me okay. So we'll see how it works out, but I love it, and I am super excited about it. So these are the colors that you get in the kit, and it is just beautiful. And I am excited about it. And I even think that this color, I could use some mohair with it and make it even fuzzier. I have some mohair that would match. I might do that. Okay, so that's that. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day.